السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the third part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. التعبير expression in Arabic. التعبير self-expression in Arabic. التعبير learn to express yourself in Arabic. أدرس learn ولاحظ and observe at the same time. واحد number one. ما هذا? What is this? ما هذا? What is this? هذا قلم. هذا قلم. This is a pen. اثنان number two. أهذا قلم؟ أهذا قلم. Is this a pen? نعم. هذا قلم. نعم. هذا قلم. نعم. Yes. هذا قلم. This is a pen. ثلاثة number three. أهذا مرسم؟ أهذا مرسم. Is this a pencil? لا. هذا قلم. لا. No. هذا قلم. This is a pen. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أدرس learn ولاحظ and observe at the same time. أدرس study ولاحظ and observe at the same time. واحد number one. هذا قلمي وذلك قلمك. هذا قلمي وذلك قلمك. هذا قلمي. This is my pen. وذلك قلمك. And that is your pen. اثنان number two. هذا قلمه وذلك قلمها. هذا قلمه وذلك قلمها. هذا قلمه. This is his pen. وذلك قلمها. And that is her pen. ثلاثة number three. هذا قلمك وذلك قلمنا. هذا قلمك وذلك قلمنا. هذا قلمك. This is your pen, talking to a single female person. وذلك قلمنا. And that is our pen. أربعة number four. هذا قلم. This is a pen. That is how you say it as a singular. خمسة number five. هذه أقلام. هذه أقلام. These are pens. You use هذه, you attach هذه to the plural form of أقلام, of column. I repeat, you attach هذه to the plural form of column. You say هذه أقلام. Never say هؤلاء أقلام. هؤلاء أقلام. Because you are treating non-human. If it is human, you use هؤلاء for the plural form. But for the non-human, you use هذه. هذا رجل. This is a man. هذان رجلان. These are men. How many? Two. هؤلاء رجال. هؤلاء رجال. These are men. But in the case of non-human, you attach هذه, not هؤلاء. You say هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذان قلمان. These are pens. How many? Two. Then you say هذه أقلام. These are pens. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ستة number six. أين قلمك يا أختي؟ أين قلمك? Where is your pen? يا أختي, my sister. أين قلمك? For a single female person, but ka for a single male person. If you are talking to a male person, you say أين قلمك يا أخي. أين قلمك? Where is your pen? يا أخي, my brother. سبعة number seven. هذا قلمي. This is my pen. هذا qalami. This is my pen. هذا qalami. This is my pen. So the ya'un at the end, being the last letter, indicates that you are talking about yourself. So the ya'un indicates ownership. So it shows that you are talking about yourself. Qalami, my pen. هذا qalami. This is my pen. So the ya'un indicates ownership. So it shows that what you are talking about is owned by you. That is why ya'un has been attached to the last letter. Qalami, my pen. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. Masha Allah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'a salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.